Hello everyone. Hi Aries. This is the reading for your 2021 predictions. So these are the headlines only. I am not going in detail. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So this is the quick messages for you. So let's see the overall messages for 2021. So these are the quick messages. Aries, fire sign. Let's see your overall reading for 2021. Aries, fire sign. Wow, under the deck, strength. Yeah. So let's see your first four cards are first 4 months and middle 4 months and last 4 months. These are the your quick messages headlines for 2021 Aries. So in the January, definitely you are achieving some financial stability. There is balance in your financial career, and in a relationship wise, there is equal give and take is coming in your way. Are you willing to offer equal give and take to your person in relationship? In January, there is everything is balanced. In February, someone is coming towards you, they are rushing towards you, some communication is coming. Yeah, someone maybe new is also coming in your way, or past person may be coming to you. And March, there is a lot of passion involved. You started something new in your life. Ace of Wands with passionate. You are doing your work with very with lot of passion. Yeah, something new started in your life in March. And April, there you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision. Yeah, it is very tough for you because you don't know which decision you have to make. So these are the first 4 months, and the middle 4 months. Three of Pentacles is Page of Pentacles, Three of Swords. I think you are very heartbroken in the middle of 4 months. Someone coming back to you to work on this relationship. Some apology is also coming in your way. I think your person maybe did something to you. You are very heartbroken. July month especially. Yeah, you are feeling very heartbroken. In May, you are investing your money something, you are collaborating with some other persons in career wise, in financial wise, you started something new businesses like that. Three of Pentacles, you are investing your money. In relationship wise, someone is coming back to invest on this relationship, and some message apology, but you are concentrating on your career, what I am seeing here, rather than relationships, because you are heartbroken. But August, you are bounce back. You started something new, you started your life in new way. With brand new beginnings, you are going with the flow. This is very good energy for you. You are achieving everything. So in the middle 4 months, you are undergoing some healing process, and then you bounce back. Wow, this is very good, and you are investing your money. And in the last 4 months, definitely you are involved with something long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. Yeah, again you walked away. You will be walked away from this connection because there is no commitment, there is no equal give and take. Aries, it could be anything. Then you achieved balance. Do you stand by your power? You are very grounded. Then you be like this. Yeah, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, Aries. Wow. You definitely, you are now very patient. You achieved patience and you achieved balance in your life, and now you are very happy what you are with, and you are stand by your power. I think this is a powerful transformation for you, what I am getting here, because with Three of Swords, Eight of Cups, then Temperance, and King of Wands, this is a very powerful transformation for you in the year 2021. What I am seeing here, this major transformation for you, and you achieving some financial stability also. You are undergoing some through heartbroken situation, you walked away, then you bounce back. Very powerful transformation for you, Aries. And your person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, especially Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, but you bounce back, and this is a major transformation for you in 2021. This is a powerful transformation, and this transformation is only for good. Okay, this heartbroken situation, this walked away, you learn lessons from this. Okay, then you bounce back, you taking your power back. Wow, very, very powerful transformations in 2021 for you, Aries. So let's pull some cards from universe, your final message from universe for the year 2021. So these are the quick messages. I'm not doing in detail. But last 4 months, you are undergoing some major transformation. You achieved balance. You achieved everything. You know how to control emotions. See, temperance 2 times. Maybe you involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Wow. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you are achieving some financial stability also. Definitely you achieved balance in your connection, in your life. And 10 of Cups, yeah, happiness is coming in your way. I think this is self-love what I'm seeing here. Definitely someone is coming back to you for second chance, but it is also self-love also. 5 of Wands, yeah. There are 2 or more persons fighting for your attention, 1 or more persons, and 2 of Cups. Definitely some love, some soulmate connection is coming towards you. Yeah, 2 of Cups is there. Love is coming towards you. Yeah, when you balance, when you stand by your power, when you're grounded, definitely everyone is attracted to you. Definitely there is love coming towards you. There is lot of love, lot of abundance what I'm seeing here, lot of balance, lot of transformation. Wow, this is very good year for you, Aries. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.